This is your reading for today. This person coming towards you, yes, this person is the same type. The one with whom you had a toxic relationship earlier, the one where you became so emotionally dependent on that person that you felt you had no identity of your own and you wanted to break away, but somehow you felt that this other person was keeping you trapped. And as much as you tried, you could not break away from the relationship. You did, but eventually you did, and it took a lot of effort, it took a lot of self love, it took a lot of shadow work and healing for you to break out of that relationship. So now when this relationship is coming to you, yes, this person appears to be similar. Some similar habits, some similar traits. So why? You are asking the universe why? And why am I getting attracted to the same kind of a person again? The question for you over here is not to consider whether this person is the same type, whether the traits are the same type. The question for you to consider over here is whether am I the same type? Am I the same? Have I changed? Have I learned? Have I upgraded? Have I done the shadow work? Am I continuing to doing the healing? Because healing is a lifelong journey. You heal from one thing and there are so many other aspects to heal, and then you integrate all your shadow sides and become one complete whole, and yet there is more to do. So healing is a lifelong journey. Healing is never complete for anyone. So the question over here is, are you the same person? Now what is happening is that when this person is making an offer to you, you are getting nervous and you are getting going into that space where you feel that, oh my god, I'm falling into the old pattern. Oh my god, it's going to be the same thing again. And you are also saying things that are not needed because you want to hide your nervousness over here. And because of the speed, because you're trying to hide your nervousness, you are feeling that you're falling into the old pattern, and you're feeling that this person is the same type, triggering the same kind of issues. So you have healed a lot, okay? You have worked on yourself, you have prioritized yourself, and you have risen in your power. Now what you have to do is this: slow down. You only need to slow down. When this person makes an offer and it is very similar to the previous offer, slow down. You don't have to react immediately. Listen, take the time, go back, think it over, then respond. And it is okay to say that you need time to think it over. You are first. If you are not comfortable, take time to think it over. The question is not whether the person is the same, but am I the same?